situation. Basically, you had those winds getting down to the ground, and we know that was happening because it's dust getting kicked up and swirling around there.
Yeah, so once that circulation touches the ground, it's officially a tornado, even if the cloud itself doesn't make it all the way down to the ground. That said, there are times you can't see the cloud because it doesn't seem to reach the ground. There's other times that you can't see the clouds because it's nighttime. Now look at that view.
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty impressive there. You really get a better shot when the lightning starts to illuminate. You can see, look at that funnel hanging down towards the ground. Wow, pretty amazing shot.
Yeah, you don't want to have to count on lightning strikes, however, to illuminate your view of a tornado. At the same time as this storm, we had golf ball size hail. So many threats of the storms that kind of moved and started from Missouri and Iowa across Illinois last night. There was a lot of wind that was raking its way across the state as well. High winds in Macomb destroyed buildings, knocked down power lines, snapped trees in half. There were tornado warnings here. I know the National Weather Service survey teams are out in this area checking if these were rotating winds or straight line winds. There was a lot of both of them in this case. How about this? Look at that. Power poles down across the road. In theory, live wires down at times when that first started. Real messy situation.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area.
Yeah, no doubt about it. We actually had a couple of rounds. We started out earlier in the day with a few storms from eastern parts of Iowa into Wisconsin. Those storms there producing some hail reports. Then we worked into the evening, and that's when things really started to blossom. These storms blew up, and they produced numerous reports again. Hail, we had damaging winds, and yes, tornado reports as well. Those are the ones indicated by the red icons that are showing up. Let's focus in on a couple of them here. In Trevoli here in Illinois, right around 7:46, a report coming in of a tornado, significant damage to a church and large trees snapped. Another one up in Clinton just a minute later, mobile homes blown over here. So these storms certainly meant business as they were rolling on by. Some of the hail cores showing up here for us by the radar, moving across northern portions of Illinois. And look at these estimated hail sizes getting up over an inch and a half.